Yes. Good morning to all of you. We are doing chapter number 8, green plants. Okay. We have done plants prepare their own food. Write down in the chat box what is required by the plants to prepare their food. Which gas is required? Yes, very good. Which gas is required to make the food? It is carbon dioxide. Vinay is the first one, so very good. And one more thing is required, that is water. Okay, water and carbon dioxide are used to make food in the presence of sunlight and one green pigment. What we call it? Green pigment is called chlorophyll. Okay, chlorophyll is required. Chlorophyll and sunlight are required, and carbon dioxide and water is used to make food. Carbon dioxide is taken by the leaves, okay, and water is absorbed by the roots of the plants. This we have done already. All of you are answering, is very good. Okay, water is absorbed by the roots. Write down another function of roots. तो वो water absorb करती है from the soils along with the minerals. Minerals are also there. One more function is to hold the plant firmly in the soil. Plant को वो soil में पकड़ के रखती हैं so that it does not fall. वो गिरे नहीं. Okay. So open your books at page 66. Next, we will do another activity to show that the stem is there which helps to transport the water absorbed by the roots. Which activity we will do? Stem helps in the transportation of वाटर को ट्रांसपोर्ट करने में, एक जगह से दूसरी जगह लेके जाने में प्लांट के अंदर क्या कौन हेल्प करता है? स्टेम. स्टेम के अंदर क्या होती है? ट्यूब लाइक सेल्स जो है, जैसे एक सेल जाइलम सेल्स होती है, उसके ऊपर दूसरा सेल ऐसे ट्यूब्स बन जाती है, लाइक एक स्ट्रॉ होती है टू ड्रिंक जूस. व्हेन यू सक द when you have to sip the juice from the glass using a straw, तो जैसे आप सकिंग करती हो, क्लियर, सेम वे जैसे आप सिप करती हो, ओके, तो सेम वे the water is transported from roots to leaves through the stem. Okay, stem जैसे आप straw use करती हो, same way. Okay, you suck the water or you suck the juice from the glass by using a straw. Okay, cup sip करके पीती हूँ. When you suck it through the straw, same way water is taken from the roots to the leaves by the tubes present inside the stem. Xylem cells, they make the tubes. We call them xylem tubes. हम कहते हैं xylem tubes. They carry water from roots to upside inside the plant to the leaves. So you can perform an activity for this. You have to take colored water in the glass. आप कोई भी glass, कोई tumbler ले लो. You have to put water in it. You can put a drop of red ink or blue ink in it. Okay, I have taken the orange color. You have to take red or blue color. Then you can take a white flower along with the stem, like it is in your picture. You can take gladioli, or you can take white orchids, or you can take any other white color or light color flower. तो जैसे आपकी बुक में है So that flower along with the stem you have to put in colored water. You can see the white color of the flower will change into red or blue. जो color आपने डाला हुआ. But I am not having white color flower, but I am taking a wheat. Wheat is the yes. So wheat is जो हमें required plant नहीं होते. Okay, these are not essential. They grow in the garden. जो हमें चाहिए नहीं होते, जिनको जो हमारे गार्डनर रिमूव कर देते हैं, तो आपने स्मॉल साइज का एक वीड लेना. इट मे बी ऑफ दिस साइज. क्लियर? तो यू हैव टू टेक इट आउट अलोंग विद द रूट्स. रूट टिप भी होनी चाहिए. यू हैव टू टेक दैट वीड आउट ऑफ द सॉइल. आजकल जैसे बारिश हो रही है, सॉइल इज वेट, so you can take it out easily. Otherwise you can take white flowers and you have to put it in the water like this and keep it there for 4-5 hours. After that you can observe the colored water going towards the leaves and it reaches the veins of the leaves. If some flower is there, white flower, so it will reach the white flower also and white flower will change into that color, blue or red, जो भी ink आपने डाली. Now I'll keep it as it is for many hours. After that I have to observe. आपने observe करना है. This activity you have to do yourself also. You can take a week. बीट ले सकते हो, अनएसेंशियल प्लांट ले सकते हो, अनवांटेड प्लांट ले सकते हो which grow along with the crop or in the garden, or you can take the white flower also. Okay, I'll keep it and I'll observe that you can see the colored water. Otherwise water is colorless. You cannot see going it towards the leaves, but when it is colorful you can see it reaches the leaves. Leaves की veins जो हैं they will become colorful. Okay, so try this. Yes, glue नहीं डालनी बेटा. No, only water and ink. 1 drop of ink डालनी है और that is to make the water colorful. So water is absorbed by the roots and it is taken towards the leaves. It is taken to the leaves by the stem. What is there inside the stem? Tubes. Xylem tubes are there which carry the water to the leaves. So now I'm going to unmute Krish Lekhi. Unmute yourself and read this. 66 page. Krish, unmute yourself. Be quick to unmute. Yes, Sorish. Yes, Sorish. Unmute yourself, beta, and read this.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, page 66. Activity जो मैंने अभी आपको बताई है. Let's see what's written over there.
Okay, ma'am. Get some tall white. Good morning, ma'am.
Gladioli.
Galley.
ये नेम है फ्लावर का जो व्हाइट कलर का होता है.
Okay. Or white orchid from a florist. Place 1 or 2.
उससे आपको जो मिल जाएंगे व्हाइट कलर के फ्लावर्स.
Place 1 or 2 flower stems into water with red or blue ink mixed in. Leave for 1 hour or 2. What can you see? This experiment shows that. Pick the correct option. A strong stem carries water to various parts of plants. Flower need colored water.
Yes. आपने क्या करना है? You have to take a white flower. कोई भी white flower ले सकते हो along with the stem. Okay, white orchids ले सकते हो आप. Then after that, you have to put it in colored water. You can put the drop of 1 or 2 drops of red ink or blue ink. Okay, ink डालकर आप उसको colorful बना लोगे. Then you have to place that flower in that colored water and observe. After 2-3 hours, you will see, and you have to tick the correct answer now. First one is stem is strong. What this activity will show? Stem is strong? No, it will not show that. Stem carries water to various parts of the plant. Yes. Food color डाल सकते हो. Yes, stem carries water to various parts of the plants. Plant के बाकी parts को, stem को, leaves को, flowers को, सब जगह पानी कौन carry करता है? Stem. So second one is the correct. Flowers need colored water? No. Flowers need simple water. हमने color क्यों डाला है? In order to see the movement of water towards the leaves and flowers. Okay. Now next is leaf. What is there inside the leaf? Kanishka, unmute yourself and read it. Kanishka, unmute yourself and read it. Read it about the leaf. Are you there, Kanishka? Yes, beta. Sandeep, rename.
Ma'am, can I? Yes, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. पोस्टर कलर भी डाल सकते हैं? मैम मेरा अनम्यूट नहीं हो रहा था. मैम
Need not unmute. Only one student I named. Okay. But rest of the students, keep yourself on mute mode. Yes, beta.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Better start reading 66 page leaf.
Okay, ma'am. Leaves have tiny openings called stomata on their surfaces. You cannot see stomata because they are so tiny. Stomata are just like open windows that take in air and allow extra water in the leaves to escape in the form of water vapor. The water is lost through stomata.
Yes. So if we are talking about leaf, so what is their leaf का function क्या है? To do photosynthesis. What is the function of the leaf? Photosynthesis. That's why we call it kitchen of the plant. What is used? Carbon dioxide and water. What is taken out? Food in the form of carbohydrates.
मैम ये
Oxygen
हमें
is
कॉपी पे
taken out.
बनाना है.
Okay. So what is there inside the leaf?
मैम ये हमें कॉपी पे बनाना है.
नहीं अभी नहीं बनाना. We will tell you. What is
Excuse me, ma'am.
the leaf which helps to exchange the gases and which help to take the
Excuse me,
carbon
ma'am.
dioxide? What is this? Stomata.
मैम
What is this?
मैम
Stomata. Clear? Leaves के अंदर stomata होते हैं, tiny openings होती हैं, which help to exchange the gases, to take in carbon dioxide and to give out oxygen. ये ऐसे structures होती हैं which opens and closes. Stomata, they get closed and they open up again in order to exchange the gases. Clear? They are so tiny we cannot see them with naked eye. They are just like the open windows, like आपके room में windows होती हैं to take in air, to give out the air. Same way plants के अंदर gases की entry के लिए और water vapors की को बाहर निकालने के लिए जो openings होती हैं, tiny openings, we call them stomata. Stomata are there to take out the extra water and to take in carbon dioxide, to give out oxygen also. It looks like this. These are the stomata. Okay. ये लीफ का सरफेस है. अगर आप माइक्रोस्कोप के अंदर देखोगे तो it looks like this. Stomata looks like this, and they help in exchange of gases, and they help to throw out the water. Stomata help to throw out the extra water and to exchange the gases. Clear? So what is stomata? Better write it in the chat box. Don't unmute yourself. Okay. So stomata का function क्या है? What is stomata? Tiny screens present in gases and extra water. They are like the open windows that take in air. जैसे रूम में हवा अंदर लेने के लिए विंडोज होती हैं, सेम वे लीव्स के सरफेस पे स्टोमेटा होती हैं टू टेक इन द एयर. Carbon dioxide is used and oxygen is taken out during the photosynthesis. Clear? So next one more activity is there. Is it clear the function of stomata? You have seen the stomata. Okay, so it is like this.
बारे हो जा तू भैया गरम गरम ला दूंगा मैं. हेलो क्या बोल रहे?
If this is the structure of a leaf, so this is leaf veins. Okay, there are veins. They are further divided. There is network of very thin veins inside the leaf, which help to take in water, which is absorbed by the roots and is carried through the leaves by the stem. Okay, network of veins is there inside the leaf. और अगर आप इसकी थोड़े से पोर्शन की कटिंग लेकर देखोगे, ओके, इसको अंडर माइक्रोस्कोप देखोगे तो स्टोमेटा are the openings. ये opening होती है inside the leaf. We call it stomata, and stomata has exchange of gases. They have to exchange gases and they have to throw out the extra water. जो ज्यादा पानी रूट से एब्जॉर्ब कर लेती हैं, जो पानी रिक्वायर्ड नहीं होता, that is taken out of the stomata. We call it transpiration. They help in transpiration also. Second number. Expression is transpiration. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am, I have a query.
Wait for a few minutes, and after that I'll take your queries. Now next is 66 page. Okay, one more activity is there. That is, yes, I'm going to unmute Mayank Soni beta. Unmute yourself. This is related to the function of stomata. How does the stomata help the plant in exchange of gases, and what will happen if these stomata are covered by something? What is there in the activity? If we put some, put some petroleum jelly, हम उससे cover कर दें स्टोमेटा को, अगर उसके surface को हम cover कर दें, okay, तो what will happen? Can plant survive? Will it be able to do the photosynthesis? So let's do what is there in this activity. Let's read it. Yes, beta. Unmute yourself to read.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, your voice is
Take
not
a potted plant से लेकर, you have to read it and read it loudly. Yes,
Excuse me, ma'am.
जी.
Ma'am, can we use a white roses in activity 1 and a black ink?
Yes, you can. But green पे black जो stem अगर green है तो उसमें black इतना visible नहीं होता. You can. Okay, थोड़ा अगर आप ध्यान से देखोगे तो you will be able to observe.
Okay, ma'am.
जी बेटा, read it out.
मैम, हम ग्लास में पोस्टर कलर भी डाल सकते हैं.
Better try to put ink. Okay. You can try if it works. Yes. Mandeep Kaur, unmute yourself to read. He is not responding. Yes, start reading, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Start reading, beta. Take a potted plant. Show me your book.
Ma'am, I have a query.
I'll take your queries after doing this activity. Okay, we are having enough time. Yes, Neeti Anand, but unmute yourself and read. Don't take beta too much time to unmute yourself.
Take a potted
Yes, good.
Take a potted plant with large leaves, smear some leaves with petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly is a waterproof substance that forms a barrier for water and air. Keep the plant in sunlight for a week.
Wait, what you have to do, you have to take a potted plant. आपने potted plant लेना है और उसके ऊपर आपने potted plant की जो leaves, it should be quite big in size. तो leaves के ऊपर आपने petroleum jelly ऐसे, you have to smear petroleum jelly means you have to apply a coat of petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly से आपने उसको cover कर देना. Okay, कोई भी greasy आप substance ले सकते हो जो उसको स्टोमेटा को कवर कर लेगा, वाटर प्रूफ बना देगा उसको. ओके, बैरियर बन जाएगा टू टेक इन गैस, एयर एंड वाटर.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Keep on reading.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Better let us complete first. Yes, better read out. Neeti, are you there?
Ma'am, can I?
Chalo, okay, start.
Keep the plant in sun. Note your observation. At the end of the week, you will see that leaves coated with jelly become limp. This is because jelly prevents the exchange of gases.
Let's read out the tick the correct also.
Photosynthesis continuously occurs in these leaves.
Jelly closes up the stomata. Jelly is poisonous to the leaf. So what shows this activity? Okay. So इसका result क्या है activity का? When we coat a layer of jelly on the leaf and we put it in the sunlight for a week. After a week, what will you observe? कि जो limb उसकी leaves हैं, they will limp. वो मुरझा जाएंगी उसकी जो leaves हैं. क्यों ऐसा होता है? Because although it is kept in sunlight, leaves में जो बाकी leaves हैं, बाकी plants हैं, उनकी leaves में photosynthesis होगा. Okay, they will not limp up. But इस प्लांट की लीव्स को आपने कोट कर दिया, इट मीन्स स्टोमेटा आर कवर्ड बाय द जेली, और उस पेट्रोलियम जेली से कवर हो गए हैं. स्टोमेटा आर नॉट एबल टू एक्सचेंज द गैसेस. स्टोमेटा आर नॉट एबल टू टेक इन कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. अगर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड नहीं होगी तो फोटोसिंथेसिस नहीं होगा. अगर फोटोसिंथेसिस नहीं होगा तो प्लांट विल डाई. इट विल नॉट बी एबल टू prepare the food. तो plant में food नहीं बनेगा, leaves will limp. Okay? So इसमें correct option क्या है? Jelly closes up the stomata. Okay? It's not poisonous, it's not harmful, but when you put the coat on the stomata, stomata will not be able to exchange the gases. So stomata will not take the carbon dioxide. So photosynthesis will not be there. Apart from water and sunlight, carbon dioxide is needed. Carbon dioxide gas is present in air around us. So it simply enters through the leaves, in the leaves through stomata. So leaves में कहाँ से entry होती है? Carbon dioxide की through stomata. If stomata are closed or stomata are covered with some jelly, no exchange of gases will not take place. Okay, so now you can